Greetings everyone, I bring a new strategy. In this case it's for TCP market. We are going to test two indicators. Let's start the account with $20 and we are going to take it for 100 or 4 traders applying compound internet. What is strategy about? It's very simple. Let's go to the quick explanation of the indicators. It's based on the water moving average. We're going to put in moving average of what is 20 period. It's a 20 period EMA that tells me trends or the sub-trend at the moment on this chart. We are going to use is the other indicator called it the Bear Power with periods on 13. How does the strategy work? Simple. When the price goes above the average and the indicators goes above 0, we are going to enter bullish at 2 minutes. It is a strategy that tells me the strength of the movement, either downward or upward. It can also be used against, that is, when the price falls below and what is the high power indicator is below 0. In this case, to be fall, I can enter to the sell button. But of these are 2 minutes, but you have to look at the trend. So let's look for our first entry. Here is to look like I'm going to enter down because the prices go through the average and well, the Bear Power indicators tell me that is a downtrend, right? I enter down in 2 minutes, click on sell button. And well, I wait for the results of the trade. I added seed grow to the favorites and now I wait 2 minutes to see if the result is right or wrong. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. A few seconds left and while we have the first result in our favor, position 1 seed growth. And while the strategies that I'm showing respect the first entry, it's important. It's not the crossing of the bearish and the C trend of the indicator. I'm going to look for one more entry that meets this partner. In this case, the next element is going to the 38.4 and we're going to look for a new entry. Here we have a position in the mobile OTC price. It's going up in the next candle shows up. So enter to the upside with well a little bit late. Well, the upside 2 minutes. In this case, the trend is going up. It's going strong. The entry point may be not the best, yes. But well, the ZT tells me that when the candle go through strong, in this case, the previous one has already gone through. But the previous one is the one that just confirms to the pass of the 0. So well, enter bullish 2 minutes. And well, bullish continue of the movement that you're seeing. Let's wait for the hard positions come out in 2 minutes. So we got this even though it entered later. What is the projection? That is the important thing is the trend is just the crossing. Give us the entry. Unfortunately, we could have entered here, but just the certified apply only by me and not apply the Bear Power indicator. We have good another victory on this position. Now I increase my amount to 72.19 and we'll look for another entry. Remember that this strategy is not so common. That is to say the entries to matter because sometimes they're not so fast. Let's see. Look again at the Bear Power can be activated because the good price with a kind of resistance and have not passed. But if it passed with the force below and this tells me bearish, then it's possible. It's a downtrend. For now, I must be patient and look for another entry. Remember, you doubt what is the power of bears in 13. So watch out for that and we will wait, look for another entry. Alright, the prices here tell me the breaks, the average, and always pass above. If the next candle is already one, I would enter in buy button. So let's see, I enter with time in 2 minutes. If look, it's falling even. Okay, enter at better entry point in Pfizer. Why enter there? Well, usually it's 2 minutes. If the next candle is red, could always apply that. What's happening to the strategy of what is in the case of this OTC pairs? Yes, this L is OTC. These pairs are very volatile They threw a lot of the wicks, and sometimes they don't give bad information. Could be in the case, but we wait for this position to be given. We have got the third position. This pair is showing a lot of volatility. The downside is clear, while the upside seems to be giving false information. It's good that I'm studying the trend. We need to operate in favor of it. If the prices rise and the stalls, it indicates that the price might to try to break it through or return the top of the range. That was I entered on this candle. It gave us the bear entry point. If I had entered early, I would have lost, but 2 minutes were enough. And in the end, it confirmed the trend. Another great position. It's always important to mention that applying concepts like support and resistance can make the strategy more effective. In times of high volatility, this can help avoid poor position by recognizing strong moves or break up to high points. Indicators is too late to enter. For now, we'll look for the last entry and see if we can get almost $206. Okay, we have here in the CAD JPY a bearish candle, and we have to wait for bearish and make this entry using the sell button in 2 minutes. Remember, this strategy is not giving the works every time, and sometimes the use take we have to be patient. Alright? Okay, I entered down in CAD JPY in 2 minutes. It's in a moment with bearish strength, and maybe we would get here. So based on this, it may be a good option for our last position, and let's wait for the results. Oh yeah, we nailed it. The last position was a close call. The price almost reversed on me at the end, and the candle dropped it. It was really unstable. Alright guys, it is reliable, but we need a lot of experience, and if the trend is unclear, we might lose. When a candle drops low, it might be too late to enter due to the decent traveled, especially in OTC. Patience is the key for any strategy. Remember, this has a 70% effectiveness, and I almost lost the last one. Losing one of 4 operations is fine. Okay? If you like the strategy, say it in the comments about the experience. Good luck, good profits, and see you. Alright? See you guys. Bye bye.